Welcome back to Modern Girls. Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my look in just 7 days for a complete glow-up. This 7-day glow-up revolution is all about making small changes to your daily routine that add up to make a big impact on your self-image and confidence. Many of us struggle with negative self-talk and self-doubt, feeling like we're not good enough or that we don't measure up. We compare ourselves to others, focusing on our flaws and imperfections, and this can be really damaging to our self-esteem. We feel stuck, like we're not living up to our full potential, and this can be a really frustrating and debilitating experience. Our self-image and confidence are deeply connected to our mental and emotional well-being, and when we struggle with these issues, it can affect every area of our lives. We may feel anxious or depressed, and we may struggle to form healthy relationships with others. Getting ready for a glow-up is all about setting ourselves up for success, and that means taking care of our physical health, including our skin and body. This includes things like drinking plenty of water, eating a balanced diet, and getting regular exercise. It also means taking care of our mental and emotional health by practicing self-care and self-compassion. We'll be focusing on skincare, fitness, and mindset, and I'll be sharing tips and tricks for making healthy habits stick. We'll be doing a variety of activities such as creating a skincare routine, starting a workout plan, and practicing positive affirmations. By the end of the week, you'll have a solid foundation for making healthy choices and taking care of yourself. You'll learn how to prioritize your own needs and make self-care a part of your daily routine. By the end of this 7-day glow-up, you can expect to feel more confident and self-assured, with a renewed sense of purpose and direction. You'll have a stronger sense of self and a more positive body image, and you'll be empowered to make healthy choices that nourish your mind, body, and soul. You'll feel more energized and motivated, and you'll be inspired to continue making progress on your glow-up journey. You'll have a newfound appreciation for your own unique beauty and strengths, and you'll be able to approach challenges with a more positive and resilient mindset. This glow-up revolution is not just about physical transformation, but about inner growth and transformation as well. Join me on this 7-day journey and get ready to transform your life from the inside out. To recap, we've covered the basics of the 7-day glow-up revolution, including the importance of self-care, skincare, fitness, and mindset. Let me know in the comments what your glow-up goals are, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and inspiration on your journey to a more confident, radiant you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Modern Girls for more glow-up and style content.